go. Moment of truth. Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. Look how clean it looks.
Did you expect the colors and stuff? Now, we talked about doing like
Yeah.
we talked about like chrome down here.
Right.
But as I looked at it more and more, I thought, you know what? This is going to really look good going for it with the gold.
Yeah, the mixed gold, it's like a lavish. Oh, man. I mean, look how shiny it looks. I mean, wow. Right now, this very moment is the first time that I'm holding like a completely custom, built for me guitar. I mean, not many people. I mean, some guitarists live their whole life without holding a guitar built for them. Look at that. That logo turned out really good.
Thank you. Yeah,
it's burned.
One, I was going to I've got brass that goes mixes. It's real brass that mixes with epoxy that I was going to mix in it and put in there, but I'm like, this just looks good the way it is. So
yeah,
I just kept it that way.
You said rustic, and it is rustic. It's like a cool.
Yeah.
Oh,
it's a real
man.
burn, you know.
How's it
I'm
look
glad
on
you
me?
like it. It looks great, man. It's great.
Dude, it's so cool. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you turn it around, there's actually a serial number. You got serial number 4 there. So I've only built 4 guitars, so this is number 4. And
Wow.
I ran into some problems here with the back. I didn't route it to begin with the CNC, so I had to do that by hand. And it was my son Asher's idea to go ahead and just recess the whole thing. And it's got a little bit of imperfection there, but I think it kind of adds a little character almost. You know?
Yeah, it does. You want that kind of stuff, you know?
Yeah.
Man. So this is the 4th guitar. That's the year 24.
Yes.
And this SCG is, what does that stand
Studt
for?
Custom Guitars.
All right. Right on. Wow.
Yeah. And the laser etching on that is done by Greg, a friend of mine. He did a really good job on the serial number in the back.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's amazing. This is cool.
Yeah, that I really like. I don't think most people do it that way, but I almost had to do it that way. It was no choice, because if you route it afterwards, it actually has a bigger hole, a bigger recess, and then a smaller recess for the actual hole. The bigger one's for this to recess in.
Right.
And I didn't have that, and it's very difficult to get that, perfect. There's just almost no way to do it without being a little bit off. So
I think it looks amazing.
That.
Yeah, I love it.
Awesome.
Oh, man.
So are you wanting to play it maybe?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, let me let's hook up the I'll bring a little spark amp down here and you can fiddle around. Yeah, let me go grab that.
All right.
So it's just taken a while for us to get this thing done, but but there it is. And it's taken a while because I've actually for work I've had 5 international trips. I finished my brother-in-law's basement. I think I did about 30 videos and edited them, and all this working full-time at another job, plus the trips. That is working. But anyway, we got it done, and
it's amazing. Couldn't have turned out better. I mean, this thing is absolutely outstanding.